guys, what's up? It's me, looksbylottie, and welcome to today's video. If this is your first time on my channel, then welcome. I'm so glad to have you here today. If this is your second, third, fourth, fifth, however many times you've been here on my channel, then welcome back. I'm so glad to have you back today. No housekeeping, we're going straight into it. If you are newer to this channel, you probably don't know, but I am actually on the BoxyCharm PR list, which is still crazy to me. They've been sending me boxes for the past couple months now, and this is the fourth box I think I've received. I'll be leaving cards for my BoxyCharm videos occasionally throughout the video, so if you want to go ahead and check those out, then you can go ahead and do that. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a subscription service, kind of like Ipsy or Stitch Fix, and they send you a box of 5 full-size goodies for just $25. I don't have like a discount code or anything, but I will have a link in my bio to go ahead and sign up if you are interested. I did a sneak peek at this box on my stories a little bit earlier than I should have, but it's fine. And this box is a little interesting. You'll see why in a minute, but we're gonna go ahead and dive in, which is appropriate because this theme is fantasy. Isn't that cute? As I go through all the products, I am going to be using this card because it does have a list of all the products on the back as well as their prices. Here we go. The first product that is listed on the card is the Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. I saw this on their page and they actually have quite a few of these palettes, you know, to appeal to all different shade ranges. This is the one that is for me. Apparently, if I may. Add dimension, warmth, and luminosity to your skin with this complexion trio, which includes sculpting powders designed to bronze and brighten your look. Designed with skin tone and skincare in mind, they are talc-free and formulated with hyaluronic acid for a hydrated and buttery smooth finish. Vegan and cruelty-free, and this retails for $25 USD. Okay, I'll play along. So this shade right here is meant to illuminate the under eyes. This shade is used to add some warmth. It's like a bronzer. And then this shade is meant to create depth around the cheekbones, so contour. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. This is shade I'm Woke. I guess that can work for my under eyes. Sure. Seems a little dark though. Next we have the bronzer shade Solterra. Yeah, that's a pretty accurate bronzer shade for me, actually. It's very similar to my Hoola bronzer. And last but not least, we have Always Summer. I think this can also work for me as a contour shade. We'll see how this wears in a little bit. Next up, and this kind of threw me in for a loop, but we have a Detox hair serum from the Lyfestyle Co., which is based in LA. Nourish and balance the scalp and hair with this hydrating elixir. Made from nutrient-dense plant oils such as argan and almond oils, this plant-based formula stimulates and soothes dry and itchy scalp, promotes healthy growth, and leaves your hair shiny and soft. And this retails for $79 USD. As you can see, my hair is a little dirty, so we will be using her today. I'm kind of nervous. I don't want it to like totally mess up my hair, you know? Next up, we have a product from Mudmasky. This is the Vitamin-Infused Eye Serum. The delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines, which is why I told my friend Jacob that he needs to start using an eye cream, but he won't listen to me. This eye serum contains a blend of all-natural vitamin C, a superfood ingredient essential for firming skin. With a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect, the serum is ideal for all skin types. We'll see. This retails for $63 USD. I'm never going to say no to an eye cream. I know that I got one a couple months ago from Beekman & Co. from the May box, I'm pretty sure, and I still use that often. Very good. Now this is probably one of the weirdest makeup products I've ever seen. So I remember back in the day when they had pens that had like 4 different inks to it. Like one will be black, one will be blue, one will be green, one will be red. But now they have it in a makeup pencil. This is the Alleyoop Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen. For when you need a quick look or touch up on the go and don't want to carry your whole makeup bag with you, Pen Pal is the convenience of 4 essential products and one easy to use, easy to stash click pen. Just click down on a color and apply for a fresh, natural look wherever you are. This retails for $25 USD. So yeah, strange. Let's swatch. Oh, this is in like the color style range Make a Mauve. I don't know if there's different ones. All right, I think that this is the highlighter. Oh, I mean, you kind of see it there, but there's like this plastic thing. I'm not really getting a lot out of that. You see, like that's like plastic right there. Okay, well I'm not gonna spend forever on this, so. And last but not least, we have a black eyeliner from BellaPierre Cosmetics. A jet black liquid liner with a flexible tapered tip, perfect for thin strokes or bold lines. Long-lasting formula, dries quickly for a beautiful matte finish. This retails for $20. I swatched this on my story, so I'm not gonna do that here, but it's a kind of short tipped pen liner, belt tip, whatever this is. It's shorts, and I don't have a lot of experience with that, so we'll see if I am good with it. So yeah, overall a weird mishmash of products. I'm not exactly the happiest with this box, honestly, but maybe the products will surprise me and will be really, really good. Maybe I can eat my words, we'll see. Let's go ahead and check out this hair serum because I do need to shower. You know, gotta get clean. So I'm also filming a TikTok for this, of course, because, you know, gotta get that clout. So if the angle changes at all, I'm sorry, that's just life. So weirdly enough, this didn't come with like any instructions, so I looked them up. Basically, you just take the dropper, put on your scalp, kind of massage it in, and leave it in a towel for 5 minutes, and then shampoo and conditioner it out. I did not properly dry my hair the last time I took a shower, so my bangs are kind of all over the place. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Whoa, okay, don't drip everywhere, come on. She is dripped on. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair in a towel and see what happens, I guess. All right, update. I think it's been about 5 minutes. I don't know, but I've had my hair in this towel for a hot minute. I hate how my face looks when I have a towel on my head, so I apologize for just how I exist. Oh, also I figured this out. You have to have one of the pen tops down and then you twist it. And you see it starts to come out a little bit. So let's do some quick swatches. I think this is supposed to be the lip liner shade. All right, pretty. This is the highlighter shade. That was a terrible swatch. Hold on, let me try that again. Okay, there we go. This is either the liner or the brow shade. That's definitely gotta be liner. I guess this is brows. All right, I'm a little skeptical, but maybe they'll prove me wrong. I'm gonna go ahead, take a shower, and when I come back, we will see how my hair looks.
A few moments later.
All right, so my hair is still a little damp, but the serum has been washed out. I'm not entirely sure if I see a difference. This will have to be a product that I kind of use over time and kind of get an idea of how it is over then. So I'll probably update you guys in the next BoxyCharm video. Sound good? Sound good. Either way, let's keep trucking. I feel bad because I just washed and dried and styled my bangs and I'm pulling them back, but this is like the only way I can do my hair while keeping my bangs like not completely flat. So next up, we're going to use the eye serum from Mudmasky. Have not opened it, it's got a seal. That's good at least. I'm just gonna put a little mist on for funsies. All right, and let's apply. But first, doesn't smell like much of anything. Okay, I think I put on way too much. Oh, wait, hold on. I better not be getting in my eyeball. Okay, we're good. All right, so since this is a skincare product, I am gonna have to use it over, you know, a couple weeks to kind of give you my final verdict. But right away, this does feel very hydrating. I don't really have a lot of dark circles, so... Are you kidding me? Jeez Louise. I don't have dark circles and I don't really have a lot of like wrinkling, like kind of right here, but we'll see how it wears underneath foundation and concealer, and I'll tell you how it looks, I guess. I'm gonna go put on my base though, and I know that's gonna be boring for y'all, so let's do a quick time jump. All right, for my base today, I used the products from the Pretty Fresh collection from ColourPop, and also the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Translucent Powder. I am looking washed out AF right now, so let's bring some color back with the Hydrating Complexion Trio from Alamar Cosmetics. All right, so first we're gonna use I'm Woke to illuminate the under eyes. I'm just using this brush because I don't know what other brush to use. Am I supposed to blend this out? This is like a banana powder. I'm too pale for banana powder. Yeah, okay, I am gonna wipe this off because that's just a little dark for me. Ow! I keep on poking my eyes out. You see how this is like not the same color as my skin? It's like almost a bit darker. Maybe they gave me the wrong one, I don't know. But let's keep trekking. We're gonna go into the bronzing shade and we're gonna use that to bronze around the face. Warmth on the perimeter of the face. Like I said before, this shade matches pretty well with my Hoola bronzer, so this I'm not mad about. I can get behind this, but this, I don't know. And last we're gonna go into the contouring, so we're gonna kind of deepen up around my cheekbones, on my jawline, probably my nose too. Hey, can you blend a little better, please? Oh, I got punched in the face. Come on. All right, if you are really fair like me and you get this palette, you need to use the contour shade with a light hand because as you can see, it kind of looks a little rough. Like it's doable, but I don't think I will go out in public looking this chiseled. That just look weird, you know? Yeah, personally, I don't know if that product was worth it for me or not because I really can only use one shade because I don't like how bright my under eyes look. And it's starting to kind of crease underneath. Look really, really close. You see how it's like kind of breaking? Not good. The middle shade was fine, but then that last shade just went way over the top. I might as well only been given like the middle pan and that's it. So next up we have the eyeliner with the really short felt tip. Is it felt tip? I don't know. It's in a pot. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna kind of go right into it. Okay, so far easy to control, so I like that. It has a pretty sharp tip, so that means sharp wings. So hard to do eyeliner when you have hooded eyes. Oh, sorry. Hooded eyes. All right, this is my favorite thing so far. I was able to get a nice short wing, not go over the top, very easy to control. I like it. I'm gonna do the other eye and hope that I do it even, and I'll be right back. Okay, so things look a little different, which is not out of the usual. Both eyeliner styles are pretty good eyeliner styles, but it's just hard to do eyeliner sometimes, y'all. I'm gonna pop into this and use that as some eyeshadow real quick, actually. But before today, I had not done a wing liner in a hot minute, so you're gonna have to forgive me. Because that just like hasn't been my aesthetic. I've been barely even wearing liner as is in public, so why would I do it for like a natural look like this? I don't know. I will say these work pretty decently as an eyeshadow. All right, last but not least, let's check out this Alleyoop pen. I'm interested to see how well it works. All right, so let's check out the brow mechanism first. It doesn't say on here whether like you just kind of have to guess. I looked on the website, so that's how I figured it out. But here is the brow powder. Oh man, Lanta. And some of it just broke off. Cool. This is definitely not my shade. What has been up with this box and me not getting the right shade for things? It's really annoying. Ugh, this is a nightmare. Why have you betrayed me like this? I've tried to blend these out as much as I can and they still look like this. This is so disappointing. Like, I bet if I got like my actual shade, then this will be fine. But the fact that I have a shade that's way too dark for me and these brows came out looking so chuggy, you know, 2016 brows, it terrifies me. Luckily, this brow wear product is coming in and saving the day. This is from last month's BoxyCharm. That was the best box ever. Boy, how things change, don't they? So things are kind of better. So I guess let's go into the eyeliner. Obviously, I have eyeliner on the top, so I'm gonna try and add a little bit on the bottom. Wish me luck. This doesn't even match the liner that I have on top. I think if a tip for this was finer, this would not be a problem, but it's pretty thick, as you can see. I'm so disappointed. I am trying to fix this mess in every way I know how, but this might have been a flop. I mean, at this point, I guess I'm gonna have to accept that at least they didn't send me like a foundation shade that didn't work for me. That already had that happen last week. I guess let's use the rest of the product and see if it can save itself. Now we're gonna go into the lip liner. Surely nothing can be messed up from a lip liner, right? Right? I like the color a lot actually. It's a little bit hard to control because it's such a big pen. I personally like something a little smaller so it's kind of easier to hold. But like it's staying on. It's pretty for sure. So lip liner is pretty good. So we're gonna take the highlighter now. Let's start it in my brow bone. And then the inner corner. I think this is fine for touch-ups, but do you expect me to do my whole face with this? Like, that's not showing up like at all. Like you can see it kind of there, but then I blend it out. It's not blending out very well either. Oh. So it's not giving anything at all. I am disappointed. I'm upset. I'm gonna fix this. I'll be right back. We fixed it, but at what cost? Ugh, okay. Guys, I'm sorry to be a negative Nancy, but this month's box just did not work out for me very well. I look really good, but I also look really disappointed. But let's break it down for each one. You know what? Hold on. I gotta put my hair up. I just really hate how my hair looks right now. And I think the serum is to blame. Like right now it looks okay, but like just along my part, it looks very greasy and my bangs weren't settling right. I mean, that's probably not this fault, but I didn't really see any change from it. And I don't really have like a really dry scalp, so I think I might try and find a friend to give this to. I think the eye serum was fine. Obviously, I'm gonna have to try it a few more times in order to give you guys my final thoughts, but there was nothing too bad about this. I really didn't like this trio. I don't know if they just gave me the wrong one with the wrong shades or whatnot, because it works great as an eyeshadow, but as far as on my face, like look at that. That's way too harsh. Like even if I had gone in light, like it would still be really muddy because it just doesn't match my skin tone. I'm really disappointed because I was really interested in this brand as well. The eyeliner is probably my favorite out of all of it because it was easy to control and it was pretty pigmented. So this one I recommend. This as a whole is a no, like no way. I think I was able to make a pretty look using these products, but like the liner is fine. I wish they made this a little smaller so that it was easier to control, but I like the color and the formula was good. I can't really see myself using the eyeliner portion unless it's like for under here, which actually I was able to make very pretty, but you know, like, I don't know. The brow product is way too dark for me, and like I'm able to make it work, but we all know that it looks bad, okay? It looks bad. And the highlighter is not very pigmented. I was kind of deceived because it came off fairly well here, but when you blend it, it's just like a wash of color. And when I need highlighter, I need blinding. So I kind of appreciate the fact that I look like I'm going to a 1975 concert in 2016, but this did not work well for me. I don't want to make like negative videos like this, but I'm genuinely upset. Like, ugh! BoxyCharm, if you're watching, I am so sorry that I had to give a negative review of this month's box. I promise that hopefully next month will be better. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I appreciate every one of you who watches the entire video and stays up with my shenanigans. If you like these kinds of videos, then make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you know when I post my next video. And also, while you're here, go ahead, leave a like and a comment. Tell me that you are here and you are watching. Now I need to figure out how to fix my hair because this is disastrous. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!